Come to in front of me Lenovo Legend, and I'll show you how to either remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. I'll go with this one to have a little bit more space to show you how you can do that. And now just you should hold for a while your device screen, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Just click here once, and here you'll see all the available widgets that you can add to your device home screen. For example, we can go with the clocks, for example with an analog one. So hold for a while and drag it here to this section. Now just you can see that we can change the size of this widget. We can make it smaller or bigger by this way. We can move the widget here on the screen or also between the screens. So also we can create the new screen with the widget, as can you see. And just to remove widget, hold for a while and click here on the left upper corner on the 6 icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.